Hey PED 110 family, I'm excited to come to you today because this is the last time you'll hear from me for the semester, at least by video. This is our final exam week, so it's been a great semester. I've enjoyed working with each of you, and I wish you all the best of luck with this exam, but also with whatever lies ahead for you. So this week we have our final exam. You'll see that it's very similar to the final exam review. Remember, the final exam review was not mandatory. You don't have to complete that. However, I'll give you a 100 regardless of the grade that you make on it, and then also drop another test grade or replace a test grade with a 100. So I would certainly take the time, not only for the incentives, but also because it will help you prepare for the exam. The exam is basically identical to the quizzes that you took throughout the semester. It is cumulative, so from chapter 1 on, and it should be pretty straightforward and simple for you. All multiple choice, if I'm not mistaken. Also, there's no lab and you don't have to submit a physical activity report, so I want your entire focus to be on the final exam this week. All right, best of luck to you all. If you have any questions, just email me and we'll get it taken care of. Have a great day.